Hello everyone, welcome back to Dynamic English Academy. My name is Shaheen Bagh and today we are going to learn present continuous. So, we use present continuous when we talk about the actions that are going on right now. For example, I am speaking, you are watching. Let me write an example for you. I am talking. So it means the work has already started and not finished yet. This work is going on. So you can say more sentences like this. I am sitting on my couch, my friends are waiting, they are playing. So for the actions that are going on right now, they have to use present continuous. You can say negative sentences also. I am not eating, they are not studying, he is not sleeping. So if you see, we are using I, am, talking. So here I is the subject and am is the form of be. We have the forms of be like is, am, are, and they are used for present continuous. And we are using verb with ing. So in the present continuous, we have to use the subject, forms of be. Remember, is, am, are used in present continuous, and we have to use verb with ing. So you can make some more sentences like this and write in the comments. Thank you.